Are you a service-based business owner looking to streamline your workload and get organized without spending hours figuring out new software? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use ClickUp's templates to stay on top of your projects, save time, and keep your business running smoothly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to set up a tailor-made workspace in ClickUp so you can get back to focusing on what matters most, serving your clients. Let's dive right in. When you first open up ClickUp, you're taken to your home dashboard. This is your central command for everything, so it's worth getting comfortable here. To make things really efficient, we're going to use templates, which are basically ready-made setups for managing tasks, workflows, and more. Templates in ClickUp are like a blueprint for your business processes. They help you skip the setup and get straight to productivity. Start by hovering over to your team space. This is where all the action happens. It's your virtual office, organized for your team and your projects. Take your time to find the right space, as sometimes businesses have several teams or departments using different spaces. Once you're there, look for those three dots. They're kind of like the magic gateway for options. Click on them and you'll see a menu pop up. Here, select Template. This is the starting point for creating a system that matches your business needs. Next, choose Browse Template. This is where ClickUp really shines. You'll see a library with tons of templates for different types of businesses and workflows. To narrow it down, simply type the word business into the search bar. Don't worry if you're not sure which one fits you best right away. You can preview each template to see what's inside. For example, if you run a marketing agency or a consulting firm, look for templates designed for client management or project tracking. These often include sections for to-dos, deadlines, client notes, everything you need to keep projects moving. Once you find a template that matches your style, go ahead and click Use Template. You'll be prompted to name your template. This is a great opportunity to make it specific. Maybe name it after your business or the type of service you offer. Customizing helps keep things organized if you end up using multiple templates down the line. Now, before you hit Use Template again, take a moment to look through the setup. You can tweak different aspects, change task names, add your client's actual details, or set deadlines that match your workflow. Customizing here is the secret sauce. Don't be afraid to really make it yours. For example, if you prefer color-coded lists or have recurring tasks, edit those in so your system feels natural and intuitive. When you're satisfied with your adjustments, go ahead and apply the template. Remember, you can always come back and edit or rename the template as your business grows or your processes change. It's very flexible, and that's one of the reasons ClickUp is so popular. And here's a quick tip. Anytime you update something important, maybe you swap out client names or adjust deadlines, always double-check that the data matches the reality. Keeping your templates up to date ensures you're working with accurate info and prevents confusion later. And that's basically it. Using ClickUp templates is a fast, reliable way to set your business up for success. If you're just getting started, don't worry if it feels a little overwhelming. Play around, make changes, and most importantly, save time whenever you can. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you have any questions or want specific tips for your business, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more service business tutorials and smart productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.